Ever wondered how applications communicate across a network and wanted to explore it in a safe, isolated environment? Today, we'll delve into socket programming, showing you how to set up and execute network communication directly within a VirtualBox environment running Ubuntu, ready to get your hands dirty. Excellent. First, if you haven't already, create a new virtual machine in VirtualBox, selecting Ubuntu as your operating system, and configure your networking settings. Remember that the networking type determines whether your new Ubuntu system shares the network with your host or is isolated. Let's jump into the terminal. We'll write programs in either Python, Java, or C, or whichever language you prefer for demonstration. Now, let's craft our client and server programs inside the Ubuntu VM. In these programs, you'll define a server that listens for incoming connections and a client that initiates those connections. The server will wait for the client's request. For example, we'll be able to see the request sent and receive back a confirmation, build and execute the programs inside Ubuntu to test. Compile your programs afterward. Execute the server code first, and finally, execute your client. This enables you to witness the fundamental handshake of network communication. The client connecting to the server and data being transferred. Now, observe the data being transmitted.